Welcome everybody. So you got that listing, you've got an offer on it, almost have it in escrow, then your seller asks, what am I going to walk away with? Well, I got the plan for you. We're going to do a seller's estimated net sheet. So that way you can tell your client this is how much you're going to walk away with if you sell for this amount. So let's take a look on how to do that. On the MLS, you're going to go to Finance under Seller's Estimated Net Proceeds. And then you just have this table, and we're just going to start filling things in. Name, LeBron James, address, 123 Main Street, Beverly Hills, California, 90210, right? Okay. Close date, you can put whatever you like. Sales price, we're going to use $600,000. What can I say? He found a steal. If you know the owner's mortgage payoff, you can write that in. So let's pretend they have a $130,000 loan. Okay? City transfer tax. To do that, we're going to use our handy dandy calculator. We're going to do 600 times 1.1. There we go. Okay. Home warranty. Home warranty, I'm going to refer to my First American home warranty list. And this house has air conditioning, so I'm going to use the Value Plus plan at $495. Title fee. For that, I need my Stewart Title fee schedule. We're going to take a look at the book. We'll go over to 600,000, and on that line we're going to pick out the homeowner's policy rate of $17.05, and we're going to write that in. Escrow fee. The escrow fee at EscrowNet today is, I'm going to put in the amount 600. We're going to multiply it by $2.25. We get that. And then we're going to add a base of $350 for that amount, $1,700. The natural hazard fee, you've got the standard and then the extra one. I'm going to go with the extra one of $123. Commission, of course, LeBron James is willing to pay full commission. 3% per side, you write that in. And we're just about done. However, we have some other fees we need to bring up. So, you have the grant deed and notary. They don't give you enough room to write everything line item, so I'm going to kind of combine things. I'm doing it in the best way I think to use the space you have. So grant deed and notary, it's going to turn out to be, in today's place, we're going to put $175. It's actually less, but just in case you have an escrow company that you're not using EscrowNet, I'm going to put $175. It's probably going to come out to roughly, with the notary, it's probably going to come out to about $140 to $160. But I'm going to cushion it for a couple reasons. The next one, since they have a loan, they have the reconveyance fee and the demand fee. And for that, it's less than this, but I'm going to write in $150. And then we have sub-escrow fee, which is a title fee, and the wire express fee. It's also less than what I'm going to write in, but I'm going to put $150 once again. And finally, we're going to pretend for this that the home was actually in an HOA, because I want to show you what it would be if it was. So I'm going to put HOA, doc prep, and transfer fee. It would actually be two items, but I'm combining them because I'm going to run out of room. So typically it could be ranging from combined between $500 to $1,000. I'm going to put $700. The last one is termite. When it comes to termite, first of all, termite is no longer in the contract, but sometimes agents put it in the contract and then you accept it, or the way the CAR wants you to handle it is once you're in escrow, you do a repair request, maybe you ask for it, and then if the seller agrees to it, then the seller will pay for it. So we're going to assume that it's going to be paid for through escrow. So I'm going to write termite, and the big one, I don't know yet. You can kind of guesstimate if you like. I've seen enough, and so you can ask some questions. If it's if it's maybe a 1,500 square foot house, maybe we'll say an estimate of around 1,500. So I'm going to write in 1,500. All right, we've put everything we need. Now we're going to hit View Report to see what Mr. James is going to net. As you can see, at $600,000, paying off a $130,000 loan with all the fees, the parentheses means it's a negative. At the end of the day, LeBron James will net $426,642. This will help your seller to determine whether they want to accept an offer or not, and more importantly, inform them of what they're going to walk away at the close of escrow. Hope this helped you to put a net sheet together on your next transaction. Thanks for watching.